What's up, everyone? So I've got a special guest, Rob, with me today. And what's up, Rob? How you doing, man?
I'm doing great.
You ready to let me?
I'm excited.
I'm gonna shave your head, bro. You ready?
No.
No.
That wasn't on the agenda.
But he's really big on social media like TikTok and Instagram. So make sure you follow him. I'll put his handle in the description. But today we're doing a haircut, and I'm ready to go, man. What I want to do is break down Rob's hair, kind of describe what I'm gonna be doing, and follow along. Let's get started. All right, everyone, so I'm gonna break down Rob's hair, and what I'm seeing first thing, he's got like a lot of hair, man, right? You have so much hair, bro. It's super thick. Let's just turn. Yeah, that's right. So in through this area, it's the hair type that really is like pokey, wants to stick out, and it's got a lot of kind of bulk in through here. So my goal is to kind of taper it down, nothing like super short, but a nice kind of taper where it blends up into the length in through here. And what I really want to do is kind of even out or balance out any of the layers in throughout the top here and work it into the front. So he's got like that really trending type of haircut. And for this, what I really want to do is just create like a nice shape, right? I don't want to do anything crazy and dramatic. I want to give him an awesome haircut that it's going to look good no matter what he does. You know, so I'm going to trim down in through here, work all this up into the top. The length in through here is actually pretty decent. Maybe just skim up the ends a little bit. What do you think of the length? You like the length in front?
I do like the length.
Yeah, so I just want to like really clean this whole thing up because he's so popular. His hair is everything, right, Rob? Your hair.
That's literally it.
It's like my head of hair right here. This is me. So I want to make sure his hair is looking good. That's right. What's that?
Iconic head of hair.
That's right. Iconic. So I'm ready to get cutting. Let's get started. All right, so I'm gonna break down Rob's hair, and the goal with this, and it's really important to understand, is that he's not the kind of guy who wants his hair super, super short. Let's turn this way. So what I did is I respected his kind of, his hair goals to work it into more of the shape into here. This is a really, really trending haircut. Let's keep going. So as you can see, follow the head shape, look down a little bit this way, and I created a lot of texture into here, working all this into this style, right? This was the main focus. With these haircuts, I always like to have like a focal point, right? And the back is all blended in. So in through here, I use like a number 4 guard. I didn't want to go super crazy, right? I just wanted to, like a soft taper, and I want to make sure this was all blended into the top. So if you are going to your stylist, you are going to your barber or whatever, you got to make sure that you're letting them know that you don't want the hair really, really short in through here. Let's turn this way. And as you can see, even though it's nicely tapered, there's still a little bit of length there. So I went in, I used the razor, I did a lot of scissor over comb by hand, and I worked this up into the top to where the top is probably about, I'd say like 3 inches or so, and then gradually went shorter to longer to where this is the highlight of the haircut right here. I didn't cut a whole lot off the length in through here, but instead what I did is I just balanced out the layers, and the area where I focused on really was in through here, right? Because this was kind of a little bit unbalanced, so what I did is I went in and I just cut it so that no matter how he does it, whatever he does, it's gonna fall right into place, and even as this grows out, right? And then also, I use Tidal Wave. Tidal Wave, literally, it's the best product for this type of look, and especially his hair is a bit on the kind of wavy side, and it's got a lot of texture, so when you spray Tidal Wave in, you can just let it air dry, you can use a diffuser like how I did, but it's gonna give you that awesome texture. Also, if you use code YouTube20, you get 20% off and free shipping in the United States, but I really appreciate Rob coming on my channel. What do you think, bro? You like it?
I appreciate you. I love it. I'm not gonna lie. First haircut that I'm not shitting myself. Oh, I can't.
He loved it. He loved it. It's all right, man. It's all good. It's all good.
Yeah.
But don't forget to check him out on social media, follow him, and thank you all for watching. See you soon.